Hey babes, my name is Jessica and this is my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I really hope you enjoy, and if you do, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and turn on your post notification bell so you can be notified the next time I post a new video. I am beyond excited for today's video. As you can see in the title down below, I have a huge announcement, but first, if you're an OG subscriber, you know I used to do monthly unboxings of the Fashion, Lash, and Beauty box by Chanel, Top Shelf Beauty. And if you are new here, I have a playlist up here that you guys can go watch those videos if you're interested. But the gist of this box is lash apparel. I know a lot of you guys always ask me, where did you get that lash t-shirt? And unfortunately, sometimes I can't link it because it was from a box that no longer exists. It was limited edition. What else is in here? Lash products from indie brands or from very well-known brands. You definitely can go out and purchase the items that are in this box alone, but then it's going to cost you a lot more than the box does. That's the perks of having this box, is that every single month, the cutoff is the first of the month, you get the box mid-month, and it's a surprise shirt, surprise apparel, surprise items in there, and it's just Christmas every single month. So I stopped doing these videos because last year I was only posting 4 videos a month every single Tuesday, and if I kept doing unboxings, every 4th video was going to be an unboxing. And like I just mentioned, the cutoff of the boxes are the first of the month, and then you get the box mid-month, and you can't get that box. You can subscribe to the subscription, but then you're gonna get the next month. So that's why I kind of stopped doing them. But with that being said, Chanel reached out to me, and this is the first time our lash artist is going to be highlighted. So for February's box, I'm gonna be highlighted, and you guys don't want to miss out. You guys have 1 week from today's video. February 1st is the cutoff, and the items that are in this box are some of my favorites, and it's just gonna be super duper cute. So I really hope you guys go subscribe and go support me, because you do not want to miss out. Like I'm saying, I'm gonna show you guys what's in this box, and that's the gist of what February is gonna look like, with different lash items, different apparel, but it's kind of the gist. This one is actually the beauty trunk that comes 4 times a year. It comes, I think, January, she said. Give me 1 second. The trunks come on January, April, July, and October, and the price point is $150. The box that I'm going to be highlighted in for next month, February, is $75. And I do have a discount code for you guys down below. So if you use, I believe, Jesicavxo, if it still works, I'll have it linked down below. And she also said that she does just the tea. So if you guys don't want to subscribe to the box and you just want lash t-shirts, it's $25 a month, and it's a subscription. So you subscribe, and automatically on the 1st, she takes out that money, and then mid-month, she sends you your goodies. So let's dive in here. I'm so excited. Again, it's a surprise. So this is the inside of the trunk. It says, "Shut up, you are gorgeous," at Top Shelf Beauty, the brand. If you guys seen Friday's video where I show you guys how I wash my lashes, how I take off all my makeup, I was wearing this shirt, and if you know, you know. Oh my god, I don't even want to talk about it. So the first things first, okay, there's something in here, there's another thing in here. So this is number 1 eyelash extension primer. I don't use primer. I've gotten a couple items like this in the box, and I just have it there, but this is actually really cute, by the Lash Lab Pro. What else is in here? Whoa, this is cute. Cultured. So we got some glasses. Wow. Oh, I feel like a baby. Okay, that was inside that the sweater. So Chanel actually packages them all by herself. She wraps everything up, she puts all the goodies in there. So she is such a boss babe. Let me show you guys the sweater. It is like oversized. What size is this? This is a medium, so yeah, it's pretty oversized. The color's cream, and you know what? I think it's the white on this sweater that's kind of messing with the light on my camera, but it's actually more of like a cream, and it says empowered. This is really cute. Okay. Oh my god, and then I got a cute little bag. I don't know what I'm gonna put in here. I think I should give it to Aaliyah. Oh my goodness, there's some goodies in here too. Okay, so we got a chain. This is actually really cute. And then it says fashion and lashin'. Oh my god, look at that. How cute. That is so adorable. So you can actually hold it like this, or you can connect the chain and like probably have this like forward or something like that. Yeah, and then the chain. This is so cute. And then inside she gave us some hand sanitizer gel. You can never have too much hand sanitizer, especially during these times. And then this is by Lash Lab Pro. Lash Lab Pro. Lash Lab Pro. So there's a lot of Lash Lab Pro items in here. This is going to be adhesive. This is going to be some eyelash remover, and then these are definitely going to be used up and loved here in my studio. They are some lint-free adhesive nozzle wipes. So this is how this looks. And what I really like is that the Lash Lab Pro, I've never purchased from them. That's another thing I really love about these boxes, is that they send me random things from random different brands that I've never purchased from. So the Lash Lab Pro, it's really cute because all of their things are like the periodic table, like #1. All of this is so cute. I love their packaging. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with these items. I kind of want to do like a mini giveaway. The first person that comments down below, I'll send you guys these, because personally you already know that my favorite adhesive is from Untamed Artistry, and my favorite eyelash extension adhesive remover is from Untamed Artistry as well. So if you guys want to try some Lash Lab Pro products, leave a comment down below and you guys will be getting these. And then last but not least, oh wait, there's more. There is another product down below that I'll show you in a bit, is these sweats that are empowered. How cute. So the last thing is again from the brand Cultured. Oh, I know what this is. Hey boo, we created Cultured to empower the dreamers, the doers, and the go-getters. We want you to perform your best, feel your best, and look your best at Lash Lab Professionals. Oh, so everything I got is from everything we got is from Lash Lab Pro. They created Cultured. What? That is amazing. This is going to be for your mask. When you get them, they have these little loops here. I don't know if you guys can see. Can you see that little loop right there? So that little loop is actually for like glasses, you know, like librarians, or you know, like whatever. They have they use like this, and then you connect it around your neck, so like if you don't want to wear your glasses, and then you put them on, you know. But a lot of people have been using these as mask holders, and what I do is I just disconnect this right here. Oh, what am I doing? It comes like with a little thing. Should I put it this way so you guys can see? It just comes like with a little, you know, little clasp like this, and you just put your little mask right there, and then you do the same thing to the other side, and you kind of wear your mask like this. So like if you're hiking, whatever, you can take off your mask, and then if you're around people, you just put your mask back on. So these are very well loved and used. The chain on it is so cute. So their Instagram is again at Lash Lab Professional, and I will link all these items down below if I can find them for you guys. So if you want to purchase singular items, and if she did order extra, Chanel, she ordered extra of these items, I'll also link it down below so you guys can purchase if you guys are interested in purchasing the sweatsuit, sweat set, the sweats and the sweatshirt. Okay, so that was what was in the trunk. Like I did mention in the beginning, the trunks come 4 times a month. They're bigger, they're better, but every single month you guys can subscribe, and you guys do want to subscribe because February next month I am going to be highlighted in that box. And the box, you guys are gonna want to like keep it and like display it. If you guys support me, you guys are gonna really want that box because I am pouring a lot of love and a lot of like, oh, it's just gonna be super duper cute. So if you guys want to support me, like I said, go subscribe. You guys could just subscribe already, and on the 1st of the month they're gonna take that money out and they're gonna send you your box in the middle of next month. So if you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to share it with a friend. Guys, this is an amazing box. I'm sure your lash artist friends want to know about this box. They want to have cute teas, they want to find new lash brands. So please share my video with a friend. If they want to subscribe to this box next month, definitely go subscribe. Again, it is going to be in my description down below how you guys can subscribe. Again, I am so excited for you guys to receive next month's box. It is just going to be epic. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down so I can know. Subscribe down below and turn on your post notification bell so you can be notified the next time I post a new video. And until then, bye my loves. You can also subscribe to my channel real quick. Click the face that popped up and you are subscribed to my channel, and you can go watch 2 other of my videos before you head out. I love you. Bye.